So today on Tip and Tricks Novel episode, I'll be talking about how to market yourself as a writer. It is true, writers do not like to market themselves. I'm one of those writers that do not like marketing until I had a little change in career in 2022 that brought a lot of things into perspective for me. I learned how to market myself as a writer as a result of this experience. Marketing oneself as a writer makes making money as a writer easy. Although it depends on why you became a writer. Some people became a writer because they just love to write, they want to help people. So imagine you wrote a book and you are so happy to post the link on your underused social media platform and you expect money to start flowing. It doesn't work that way, right? Does it? So I'm going to discuss some tips you should follow so that you'll be able to market yourself effectively as a writer. First, you need to know what type of writer you are and what writing you engage in. Blog articles, who are your target market? Do you write novels, ebooks? Who are you writing for? This is quite important because whatever marketing strategy you decide to go for must align with your target market demographics, interests, and needs. The second step is to build an online presence. There are different ways for you to do this. You can create a professional website or a blog to showcase your writing, share your thoughts with your audience. Medium is a perfect platform for this, especially if you don't have money to create your own professional blog. Next is to open different social media platforms. I recommend Twitter, LinkedIn for your professional image, Instagram or Facebook too also works. Connect with your audience, follow fellow writers and other professionals that you know will need writers. Now, the next step is to build a brand. This works hand in hand with creating a social media profile. It's possible for you to get a logo, you can create a logo, have a brand name, create something that can make your content, that reflects your content, and use this logo throughout your social media platforms and any other platform you have. Now, the next step is to start creating content for your social media. Apart from your writing, you need to start creating videos, content, social media graphics. Engage with your audience. Let them know that you care for them. Network with other professionals and fellow writers. I think I need to stress this extremely important. Share it extremely well because community is very important for writers. You need to attend workshops, you need to go to webinars, you need to experience community. The more community building you engage in, the more collaborations you get. The more you collaborate with others, the more job opportunities you get. This video is quite short, but I wrote an article about this. You can check the description below for more on this. Click on the subscribe icon and turn on notification so you don't miss out on the next episode.